Now I am going to tell about the gear pump. Now let's start with the parts of the gear pump. This is the body of the gear pump, and this is the pressure relief valve, which is spring loaded. Okay, and these are the helical gears. These are the bush bearings, and these grooves are given to this bearing. These are for the lubrication, and this is the gland packing, which prevents the leakage and which also gives the sealing to the pump. This is a plane which is connected to the motor. Now, first, we want to know about the which is suction side and which is discharge side. As we know that the larger diameter area is called suction side and the smaller diameter area is called discharge side. Okay, these ports are given to this. This is for the pressure gauge, suction pressure gauge, and this is for the discharge pressure gauge. You can get the doubt why they gave the two ports. These are for the position, like how your pump is going to install on the onboard. It is according to the position, we will install pressure gauge on one side and we will close another side. Okay. Now let's see. These are the phases how we are install these gates in this. Okay. We want to make sure that there will be no damage to the face of this. If there is any face damage, then there will be a if the face is damaged, then there will be indication is there that sounding of the pump will appear. Okay, it indicates the sounding. Now we can see the how the suction and discharge is going to happen in this pump. Okay, let's see from this one. This is the suction side and it is the discharge. Now look at here. Look at here. This is the suction side. Okay. Now I will show with some bold. See. This is the suction side. How the gears are installed on this? Like this. And another one. Make this show like it should be like this. For sealing, proper sealing. The main reason we are employed this bush bearing because but if you install the normal bearing, roller bearing or ball bearing, it will not provide the sealing. But bush bearing will provide the sealing. That is the main advantage we using the bush bearing. Okay. But when the fluid enters from the suction side, it will act on this side. Okay, and it will rotate like this. The fluid will which flow with along with this gas, and the flow will be like this, which creates a pressure. If it is going in between these gas, then the temperature of the fluid will increase. That is the main cause why the fluid is not going inside this. It will flow like this around this gas. This is the end cover, which covers these wood bearings, and this groove is there, which is for the circulation of the lubricating oil around this. Okay. Now we will discuss about the pressure relief valve, and this pressure relief valve we will see. This spring is on the discharge side, and this port is on the suction side. We have to make sure while assembling and disassembling of this gear pump. Okay. If the excess pressure is noticed on this gear pump, the pressure will act on this spring, and which diverts the flow to the suction side. The difference between the safety valve and the pressure relief valve is the pressure relief valve, it will divert the flow to the suction side, which circulates the flow in the pump. In safety valve, it is not like that.
So
it will release to the
there is no wastage of fluid in this type of relief valve.
In the gear pump.